You must activate hot water on first startup of unit, as this will be off as standard. To activate hot water, simply press the left button once into the information menu. Press the minus button to go down to hot water. Press the right arrow to access hot water. And there you would see hot water is currently on the standby symbol. Press the right button to highlight the standby symbol. And now press the plus button to activate hot water. This will now give us a different mode. So the default, the operating means eco, which will run the compressor at a lower consumption rate. We can activate that to comfort or even super eco. If you have a house with 3 occupants or more, it's recommended to put the operate on comfort. You will see the star will move each time you change the operating mode.